In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your website using Weebly. This is a beginner-friendly guide that will walk you through every step of the process. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. First, what you want to do is head to the Weebly website and navigate to the overview page. This is your starting point for all things Weebly. If you're new to Weebly or just returned to refresh your memory, the overview page gives you a bird's eye view of your account and your websites. It's super handy, especially when you're managing multiple projects. Now, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. There's a small drop down menu there. Go ahead and click on it. From here, you have access to several options, but today we're focused on adding a new site. So in that drop down menu, you'll see the option to add site. Click on that. It's as simple as that. After you click add site, you'll be prompted to choose your purpose. For today, let's select the I just need a website option. This is a great choice if you're looking to launch a personal blog, a small business site, or even a portfolio. It's flexible and straightforward. Next up, it's time to get creative. Weebly offers a variety of pre-built themes that are stylish and customizable. Take some time to browse through your options and find a theme that resonates with your vision for the site. Once you've found the perfect fit, give it a click. That's your template chosen. With the theme selected, you're ready to start making it your own. Click on Start Editing, and this will take you to Weebly's intuitive drag and drop editor. It's designed to simplify the process of bringing your ideas to life. You can rearrange sections, add new content, and tweak the design to your liking. The freedom is practically endless. While you're editing, you might encounter a pop-up window. If you do, just click the X to close it. Weebly occasionally uses pop-ups to share updates or tips, but closing them is usually straightforward. If you happen upon a notice prompting you to reload the editor, click Reload Editor. It's often necessary after major changes or updates. If a similar pop-up appears again, simply click the X once more. That's it, you're well on your way to creating a stunning website. Whether you encounter multiple pop-ups or just one, navigating around them should be a breeze. And there you have it. You've taken the first big steps towards building your very own website with Weebly. Keep exploring the editor and experimenting with the tools. They're designed to make your creative process as seamless as possible. Happy building, and see you in the next video.